Well, here comes one of my many train songs. I take the train a lot, and this song is about taking the train down in Germany, which I also do a lot, from east to west, north to south, and I call it the Railroad King. It goes like this. Train, heading for my train, crisscrossing all over Germany again. Had to catch 11:25, another day of a traveling bluesman's life. Tic-tac, searching for my track, suitcase in my hand and a guitar on my back. It's a choo-choo and a ding-ding, they call me the Railroad King. Found my seat, time for a rest. Now take me to the east, you can take me to the west. Tempo, fast or slow, pen and paper, making notes for my show. Take me to my next stop. Love the life I live and I live the life I love. It's a choo-choo and a ding-ding, they call me the Railroad King. Yeah. Well, train, crisscrossing all over Germany again. I have to catch 11:25, another day of a traveling bluesman's life. Tic-tac, searching for my track, suitcase in my hand and a guitar on my back. It's a choo-choo and a ding-ding, they call me the Railroad King. Say it's a choo-choo and a ding-ding, they call me the Railroad King. Choo-choo and a ding-ding, they call me the Railroad King.